Alright.
Alright, folks, another something different. I'd rather be talking about something else, but you know, we ain't been doing no ride along, so. Cut that down a little bit. Y'all see that sprayer? Y'all might can see some things ain't going out exactly like they should. That means that sprayer needs to be cleaned out. I do this on occasion. We got hard water here, and calcium, lime, whatever that is, it builds up and creates problems. So I'm gonna take that off. And it also gets hard to turn on and off because gunk will get built up in between the handle where it slides in and out. Y'all might probably can't see that, so I ain't gonna try to show it to you.
I can zoom in.
Y'all can see some dull in there. Well, that's gunk buildup.
Okay.
Gets in there, gets in the way, makes it hard for it to go in and out. That ain't too bad dirty.
Piggy don't got his face on, so I can't zoom up to his face.
What I'll do is I'll just take a scrub in. Scrub that a little bit. On that little lip right there. Clean all that off. Kind of clean that up. Now take clean the inside there a little bit. Get that off. The main problem is going to be in here. Y'all can see there's a little bit of white stuff inside those holes.
Yeah.
That's the lime buildup. Stuff around the rim there. It gets gunky. It gets dirty. Plus with all the chlorine they like to put in the water, that don't help none.
If there's a hint of rain, you can smell it in the water.
Oh yeah.
So it's raining somewhere.
Yeah. So I'll clean out the grooves in there. Take this old ice pick. Y'all seen this on the Leans videos, I think.
Yeah, that was my granny's ice pick.
It's older than me.
Oh yeah, it's older than me. Yeah, older than you.
Might be close to older than both of us combined.
It's. I think Granny got it when Mama was a kid. So yeah, it's good 70 years old.
And what I'll do is I'll take the point of this ice pick and go down in that hole and run it around on the inside, and then I'll do it on the outside. Especially on the outside. I wonder if this little scrubby thing here will do better at that.
I don't know.
Nope. That lime buildup, that gets hard.
Mm-hmm. I'm sorry I can't turn it where y'all can see everything he's doing, y'all. But that's
Well, y'all can see that, and I'm taking that, put it down inside here, and I'm going around these little holes, getting that build up all of it. I can't do a lot anymore, but this is a little something on home maintenance that I can do.
Mm-hmm.
It's still hard on me, believe it or not.
With his hands not wanting to work like he wants them to, sometimes it makes it hard on it.
Well, in addition to the nerve damage because of the spinal cord itself being damaged and causing things like with my hands and causing, you know, I can pull a muscle just by moving in a normal direction.
Mm-hmm.
And I can pull a muscle. Then when you add to that I've got a herniated disc that's thick and calcified as bad as the one that was in my neck, and then got one in the middle of my spine that isn't as thick but can go out just as easy. And nerves not operating right, being able to exacerbate all that, and make it to where it could cause a pull or something. I was at the sink one day, and Aline saw me draw up backwards and scream, because that one in the middle of my back felt like an eagle's talon, having grabbed the middle of my back and started pulling. Those are the types of things that can happen because nerve damage and other discs that are already messed up anyhow.
Mm-hmm.
Add due to that the fact that because of my injuries, I also have degenerative disc. Yeah, something as simple as this is hard on me because my lower back hurts now. Because I'm slightly bent over with my head down. So, interesting times, people. But even amidst all that, I'm still going to say I'm having a great day every day, even on my worst day, because I got to live through it anyhow.
Mm-hmm.
So might as well smile about it. Even if I am experiencing hardship or pain. Because if it's hardship, God's making that so because He's got something planned to come along and bring something good out of it. Alright, I've not gotten that great. I don't know if y'all can see a difference or not.
Right down. Hold on. Right in there.
I don't know if y'all can see a difference in that or not.
Oh yeah, a big difference. At least I can tell the difference. And I can't see that good.
So
I have
now-
it zoomed in so I don't get your head in the picture.
I know. Now here comes the fun part. Putting this thing back on. Having to hold that handle. Put this on at the same time. Got to make sure that little lip goes up underneath that rim. Say hello to Fancy. What you doing, Daddy?
Shall I help?
Don't be a pain in my butt.
Oh, I help, I help. Now quit rubbing the tripod.
For some reason that thing ain't wanting to go on straight.
Was a crooked man, walked a crooked mile, had a crooked house. Yeah.
Well, if I can make it crooked, you can bet it'll be crooked. Alright. Let's find out what's going on with you. Maybe it's because that's upside down.
That could be the problem.
I don't know if it is or not. It's the only thing I can think of at the moment. Alright, what is your major malfunction?
You know what's funny is he does this. I don't know how many times, about at least once every 2 months. 2 or 3 months.
Without any problem.
Yeah. But he want to show you about it and then they ain't gonna have a problem. I don't use that sprayer.
Yeah, this is a mostly me thing right here.
Yeah. When I'm washing dishes, I'll use the
Right now,
faucet.
you don't straighten up. I'll go to Lowe's tomorrow and replace you.
Thought we had one down there in that box. It goes to that new faucet we ain't never put on.
There's something stopping it. Let's see how you do without that in there.
Maybe taking out all that crud and then made it too big or too little, or who knows.
I guarantee you I can stop this video and it'll go right on there.
Oh yeah. Ain't that the way it normally goes?
Yeah. There'll be something in the thread.
I'd say take something off that thread off real good.
thinking taking it off, I may have squeezed it a little too hard and put it out of shape.
That's possible.
It ain't wanting to behave at all. There's a lot of gunk in there. I've never had that problem before. I think that's what happened. I squeezed it too hard and got it out of shape.
Huh.
May have to get that other one out and see if I can replace the sprayer.
Well, it's not down there. I thought it was.
Where we put it up. I got wet, folks.
Um,
We'd like to put that faucet in there, but we'd have to find the right kind of filter
yeah.
to go on the end of it. It would also mean that I'd have to get down on the floor, and that's not real good for me.
I'm gonna have to run. Okay.
Alright. I don't know if this will fit or not, but we're going to find out. Yeah, it fits. Well, folks, I was going to show y'all cleaning one out, but I must have squeezed it too hard that time. That ain't the first time it's been squeezed. Now we got a working sprayer. Y'all can see there ain't nothing crisscrossing. I can toss that other one away. Alright, I went from maintaining one sprayer to replacing the sprayer. Piggy loves you. I'll see y'all next time.